Had enough of the kids tracking mud through the house every time it rains? Then this video is worth a watch. A flooded garden can really spoil the enjoyment of your home, turning your outdoor space into a no-go zone and even damaging your trees and plants. But here at Apex, we've developed a truly unique and groundbreaking solution that tackles both issues at once. Our advanced soil injection system doesn't just treat the symptoms of a flooded garden, it fixes the underlying cause: compaction. When your soil is hard and compacted, rainwater has nowhere to go. It simply pools on the surface. But with our innovative technology, we inject high-pressured air and enriched biochar directly into the soil, breaking up compaction and restoring its natural structure. This vastly improves drainage and creates a healthier, aerated environment for your plants and roots. The result? Your garden soil acts like a sponge, soaking up water in the wet weather and retaining moisture during dry spells. It works instantly and the results are long-lasting and guaranteed. And that's not all. Enriched biochar boosts soil health by supporting beneficial microorganisms, giving your plants stronger roots, lusher foliage and better resistance to pests and disease. Unlike traditional methods like French drains, the Apex system involves minimal disruption to your garden surface. You can enjoy a beautifully transformed garden without digging it up or changing the way it looks. It's practically magic. So, whether your flooding is caused by heavy rainfall, compacted soil, or nearby building works, our system offers an immediate and sustainable solution that lasts for years. Click below to take the first steps out of that boot-sucking bog and into that bright and breezy, revitalised garden. Click the button below for your free personalised quote today.